To take control of the flow of your text, you can use Keep Options. Here are some common scenarios. So in this first example, we have a subhead that's occurring at the bottom of a column. We want to take it over to the top of the next column. What we don't want to do is just put our cursor in front of it and press return. Now, while that works visually in this particular case, it's going to cause us problems down the line because we will have empty paragraph marks littering our document that will just be waiting to trip us up. So instead, what we want to do is use a keep option. We can access keep options by, and I have my cursor inserted in the paragraph, Command Option K or Control Alt K. We can also get to them from the Control Panel menu. But most likely, they are going to be part of a paragraph style definition. So in this case, I'm going to come to my paragraph styles and edit this style by right-clicking on it and then coming to Keep Options. And I'm going to say, keep this paragraph and all paragraphs that have this style applied to them with the next 2 lines. Similar, we want to keep the lines together. In this case, once again, I'm going to edit the style definition, but we want to keep the lines together. We can specify a certain number of lines, or we can say all lines in paragraph. In this scenario, let's imagine that this is a step-by-step list, and each of the grey boxes is a picture, and the step relating to the picture is directly below it. And you can see that the text is all out of sequence. It's threaded text, so if we come to the View menu and choose Extras, Show Text Threads, we can see the direction of the text flow. So we go down one column and then to the top of the next. But what we need to happen is for the step to go directly beneath the image. Once again, what we don't want to do is press return, but rather we want to come and edit the style definition. And this time we're going to say, we're not going to bother with these options, but rather start paragraph in next frame. Problem solved. I'll switch to a new document now, and we'll use this document to look at inserting page breaks. Now, while it's possible to insert column, frame, and page breaks into the text as characters, I prefer to do it using Keep Options. So what I'm going to do here is select this first paragraph, or just put my cursor in it, and edit its style definition. But before I do that, let me just show you that the problem is the chapters do not begin on a new page, and we want them to. So all I need to do is edit that style definition, Keep Options, Start Paragraph, and I have the following options. On next page, or if I always wanted my chapters to begin on a right-hand page, on next odd page, or if I always wanted them on an even page or left page, I could choose that. I'm going to just choose on next page. And we see that has solved the problem.